Good morning, everybody. It's your hump day. That would be Wednesday. Quarter number 4, day number 8, 140 overall, Wednesday, April 14th, 2021, and today is PE. 2 questions from Charlotte's Web today. How do you relate to Wilbur's feeling of loneliness? And why do Charlotte and Wilbur become friends? We'll be reading about Charlotte today. In your FSA practice, that's at the end of the document again, and we'll slide down there in a minute. We'll read through it in class. For your sustained silent reading, SSR, find some fun words in your book and write them right there. Words that maybe you didn't know or that you really like. Paragraph editing, day number 3 of Indiana Sundays. The PDF file here is the same because it's a great review page for all 8 parts of speech. There is a new parts of speech quiz that you can do, and I kept the game the same too for certified parts of speech. In your spelling and vocabulary words today, you're going to create a paragraph. There's no prepositions over here, but you're going to specifically make sure you use prepositions with the spelling words to create a paragraph. And I will do an example in class, and I will include a nice set of prepositions for you to use. I forgot to include it here, but I will. Preposition list. And we move on to the bigger book now, Daily Life in Ancient Greece. I will read the first pages, and then starting tomorrow, we're going to go to Harper all the way through Dan. That will finish the book. So make sure you practice your pages and you know the main ideas to share with us. We're going to watch a really cool intro to ancient Greek gods and goddesses. And if you didn't watch the geography video on ancient Greece, we're going to do that today too, because it really explains how ancient Greece is significantly different than all the other ancient civilizations we've studied due to their geography. And geography affects how a culture and how a civilization develops. All the other ones we've studied so far have developed around rivers, not ancient Greece. Here's your 3 new rebuses. And there's your answers. Mary plus Mary is a sum Marie, because the answer to an adding problem is a sum. Once upon a blue moon, or once in a blue moon, there's 4 gives and there's 4 gets, so it's forgive and forget. And I really do want you to look up some fun facts and be ready to tell me about one of these gods. So here is the story today. Please leave the library alone. We'll read it and read through the questions, and then you will simply type your answers right there, A, B, C, or D. All right, let's stop that share and go to our Canvas page. To go up. There we go. Same news about the FSA. Make sure you confirm for sure, because we had a few people that have changed their minds. We're still waiting for a couple people to let me know for sure. But if you do change your mind, you need to let me know, because they really, 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 really need to know to set up the rooms correctly. And I'm really proud to share this one, because I told you I have a former student. In fact, my very first year in elementary education, which was 1984 and 1985, I had a classroom, and one of those students was named Melissa, and she has now become a farmer. So she posts these pictures, and I ask her for permission. I borrow them, and here you go. I love when I'm a pillow for mama. Isn't that adorable? That's, again, from a farm that my former student Melissa runs with her husband and children. I love when I'm a pillow for mama. Isn't that adorable? Yes, Mr. Bagby, it sure is. I know. We'll see you soon.